Well, I thought I would get on and give you a little bit of a test that I actually experienced that may help some of you targeted individuals that might be familiar with this. But I don't keep my phone on all the time. I reset it. I do a reset, a factory reset on my phone about once through the week, more than once through the week. And I know for sure that every time after I do the reset and I boot my phone back up, guess what? It's kind of funny, but you can test this for yourself if you be willing to do a factory reset on your phone, that I can hear my stomach at the same time growling, like it's coming on, like at the same time my phone is coming on. It's like there's a connection with inside my body to the phone. But each and every time I do a reset on my phone, my cell phone, boot it up, and before it goes into the part where it's all done, all finished, I can hear a sound in my stomach, like a growling sound, or like, like something like when you're hungry or something. But I know that's not it. It's a connection. It's a frequency that's connected to me. So I'm whoever or those who are involved are very very close to connecting me with the phone. And also that's a way for them or him to be able to do whatever they're doing to manipulate what I do on the cell phone, and also to manipulate the feelings that I get, the pain, the different things that go on my body experience. So anyway, I hope that this will hit a nugget, or maybe just test it, on yourself. This may be my own experience, but I tell you, I've gone through at least 100 times, and that's not exaggerating. And so I've come to the conclusion that there is a connection there. Farewell.